Hello, you guys. My setup is crazy here. It is what it is. Taylor, say hello. I wanted to come on here and do a video about me finding out about the pregnancy. CJ is getting Camden ready for bed, so he may pop in, may not, I don't know. So I did vlog this, but basically we took a trip to this place. I forgot what it's called. Willows Grove in Virginia. It was beautiful. We went for our anniversary in September and we just had the best time ever. Like, we had so much fun just like, you know, hanging out without the kids and stuff. And
what's up?
No, go play in your room. Okay, come to me.
You wanna hang with me? Oh.
So you're not gonna listen to me?
Slow down. Slow down, give me some.
He's a daddy's boy. Why is the camera focusing on y'all instead of me?
What you expect? Like, come on, man.
Anyway, so we went to the trip. We had so much fun together, and yeah, so came back home, got back into our normal routine of everything. And when I got back home, my cycle came on, and when it came on, CJ was like, didn't your cycle just come on? I couldn't remember, so I was like, I don't know, but whatever, we're good because it just came on. So that was, I think, like Sunday. Well, the next month comes and all I remember is being like super tired, right? Like
symptoms or what?
Yeah, Camden's birthday was in October, and I just kept saying I was tired. I remember, like, you know, I drink my coffee and like that would hold me over the whole entire day. Remember, I kept saying like I was getting sleepy at like 5, 6. I'm like, what is wrong with me? I'm like, at 5 or 6 every day, I just kept getting so tired. I'm like, why am I tired like this? Cause like,
drinking your coffee?
Yes.
And still getting tired?
Yes. I was so exhausted. Like, I was so exhausted. And so that was not the norm for me. So go get dressed, girl. So what happened? So the weeks kept going on, and once the day came that my cycle came on in September and my cycle didn't come on, I was like, if my cycle don't come on by Friday, I'm gonna need to go get a pregnancy test. And so I had in my mind, like, whatever is gonna come, because I was also cramping, so I'm thinking that it's coming. So I'm like, whatever, I'll just wait till Friday. Well, on Wednesday, was it a Wednesday? Yeah, I think it was a Wednesday. On Wednesday, I had like a little break in my, like.
Come on, bro.
Go to your room. Put it down. Give me that. Go to. On Wednesday, I had a little break in my schedule where I was able to go to the to Dollar Tree. I'm like, whatever, let me. I was like, babe, should I just go get some pregnancy tests? He was like, yeah, go ahead. So I was like, okay. So I ran to Dollar Tree and I picked up like 3 pregnancy tests. I'm like, I'm gonna get 1 for now, and then next time if this hiccup happens again, I'll have some extras. That's how we usually do it, right, babe? Mm-hmm. So this time I come home like do like whatever. And what's funny, when I actually recorded, and I'm gonna put it right here, I don't know if I told CJ this, but I actually recorded myself walking into the store. I don't know why. Like, it's like part of me knew, like, girl, like, you
but you're nutty, man. So
why would I record myself walking into, I don't know, man.
One time I knew though.
You didn't know?
I had a feeling.
For real? Well, I don't know what made me record myself walking to the store. Like, why would I do that? Unless, you know, like, I'm recording my feet walking into Walgreens. Like, no. So, part of me knew when I went to go get the pregnancy test, I was like, I don't know. So, I got the Dollar Tree ones. And, actually, this was Dollar Tree, not Walgreens. But anyway, I got the Dollar Tree ones, and I came back home. Like, whatever, I'm going to take this test. And I took the test. I had to host a Zoom call for like another team at like 8. I took the test at like 7:40. And I looked down, I was like, what? Like, and so I didn't know what to do. I was like, bae. And so I ran immediately to him. And sometimes I be playing, y'all. Sometimes I be playing. too much. And I be telling him like, babe, but I be playing like it's negative. But this time, how'd you know?
Dude, when I got in the shower, I was like, yeah, it's a high chance that she's pregnant.
But babe, was it different when I came?
Got in the shower, like, but when you told me.
But when it came to you, when I came to you this time, was it different? Like, you know how I be playing, but was it different?
I was hoping you was playing. That's the thing. I knew like it was true. But I was hoping you was playing.
CJ, like, I'm not playing. So I showed him the test. Clear as day, like, y'all. 2 lines, clear as day. Like, no, you know how like people will have the pregnancy test and they'll like want that extra line to be there, but it's so faint. No, they were 2 dark lines. And for all of my pregnancies, like, the lines don't play with me. Like, either it's positive or it's not, okay? And so, I knew, like, oh my God. So, oh my God, like, all the thoughts started racing through my head. Like, what? Like, I just lost all this weight. Like, I'm gonna have to gain it back. I'm gonna have to lose it again. I'm gonna have to go through all this work again. Like, all of the thoughts just started racing through my head. And I didn't even have, like, enough time to, what's the word? Process it, because I had to hop on a Zoom call and lead a Zoom and like encourage all these people and stuff. So I literally had to like swallow my feelings and hop on a Zoom call and do that really quick. And then after, it's like I didn't even know what to do. So I'm like, after that call, I actually went out and got another test, because I'm like, no, like these from Dollar Tree, let me go get another test, like a good test.
Yeah, you're the most expensive one. That's what we need.
I went to Walgreens and I tried to get the one that said pregnant, not pregnant. Y'all, I still got another one with lines. So I took that one. That one was also positive. And so I'm like, oh my God. Like, I really could not believe it. So I just called my parents and told them. My mom was so excited. And I called 2 of my friends and told them. And they were excited too. They were like, it's okay, Tierra, it's okay. So, it was so hard because like I wanted to say something immediately, like on my social media and stuff, but yeah, y'all know how it is, like not knowing like when to share that information and stuff. So whatever. But yeah, that was the story of me finding out that I was pregnant. I have to hop on this Zoom call right quick too. They doing the most behind me. I'm sorry, y'all. So baby, you have anything else to add?
Nah, I mean, you stay doing.
What were your feelings? What were your feelings? You say I stay doing the talking. No, talk.
Like, let me be dreaming at least. Like, let me be asleep.
That's mean.
We said we was done, but I couldn't believe what you mean. Like, you asked me my feelings.
Yeah, initial thoughts. But how do you feel now?
I mean, now I'm excited. Like, you know, it is what it is. I'm excited. Can't wait to find out what gender it is. Personally, I think it's a boy.
I do too, y'all. I think it's a boy too.
But yeah. But we about to hop on this call. I gotta lead this Zoom.
He lying. He don't lead that near the Zoom.
For the first time.
No, you don't.
I got a lot of gems that I'm gonna be dropping on this call. So yeah, surprise guest. So let's get it.
All right.